You searched how to buy shares of SaverOne 2014 Limited. SaverOne 2014 Limited trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SVRE. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SVRE. Make sure to select the SaverOne 2014 Limited listing that trades on NASDAQ. On the asset page, you will see a short company description and a price chart. Confirm the listing shows SaverOne 2014 Limited on NASDAQ to ensure it's the correct stock. To invest, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After the trade completes, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.